Every creator has ideas. Maybe you've thought about sharing tips, fun facts, or motivational content, but the work of filming and editing keeps you from starting. The truth is, you don't need expensive tools or years of editing experience anymore. ShortBeast AI turns your ideas into full faceless videos. All you do is type in a sentence or two like 5 facts about space. In just minutes, the AI writes the script, records a natural sounding voice, adds subtitles, and select visuals that match perfectly. The best part? You still control the final look. You can swap clips, change the voice, or edit the captions easily. But one of the most heavy lifting is already done, so you get to focus on the content instead of struggling with software. If you want to turn your ideas into professional faceless shorts fast, use my link in the description and try ShortBeast AI for yourself.